In this video, we're going to talk about 7 different signs, whether you might have fibromyalgia or not, and what you can do about it. You don't just have to go to the doctor, there's other choices. So I potentially was diagnosed with fibromyalgia. I had all the signs that I'm going to go over, and I'm going to give you my experiences so you have something to relate to. So the first one is muscle pain. So my body was so sore 3 years ago. It was so sore to the point that I would go on walks and my body would hurt so bad. I'd be like walking like this because my back would hurt, my shoulders would hurt, and just to get through a walk was so painful. And on top of it, I could only stand for about 15 minutes because my lower back would just be so painful that I would want to sit down. And it's kind of crazy because I was at garden club, and in garden club, there's like all these older people in my club, and they could stand way longer than me. It was like 15 minutes, and then I was sitting there on the ground while the presentation was going. Everybody else is standing, and I'm sitting. My body was in so much pain. The second thing where you might have fibromyalgia is fatigue. So fatigue is being tired all the time. I was completely tired all the time, exhausted. I mean, it's like, oh, here's the dishes, let me put them away. And it was so exhausting just to get up to do basic house chores. Number 3 can be bladder issues. So originally I was diagnosed with IC many years ago, and so I would consider myself having bladder issues. My bladder issues was going to the bathroom all the time. Now, I haven't completely gotten over that because I'm doing the morning cleanse, which is a whole bunch of juices, so I have a lot of liquids going through my body. But bladder problems is a sign that you have fibromyalgia. Another sign you have fibromyalgia is you have memory problems. It's like you're doing something and then you forget what you're doing, or you have brain fog. And for me, brain fog was like, it was like this big cloud around my head. It was just so weird. Like there literally felt like there was a cloud around my head. And if I'm driving, it was hard to focus on the road because it's like you can't see very clearly because there's this cloud around the head. Thankfully, I don't deal with that anymore. Number 5, anxiety. You are stressed all the time. Everything stresses you out. It is just hard to deal with everyday life because everything is so overwhelming and you have so much anxiety. Number 6, you have fibromyalgia, depression. You're just feeling sad. You don't know why you're feeling sad. You just feel sad all the time. You cry all the time. Things are just really hard. Life is just really hard. And number 7, insomnia. You basically can't sleep at night. Yeah, this was definitely the case for me. I had to take sleeping pills every night, or I would take melatonin because that's what would help me sleep. And I literally could not go to sleep. I would just lay in bed for hours, 2 to 3 hours before I would go to sleep. And then I would finally go to sleep, but I just wasn't getting very good sleep. I couldn't go to sleep very well. And thankfully now I am to the point where I can go to sleep and get way better sleep. If you think you have fibromyalgia, go ahead and write fibromyalgia in the comments below. Now let's talk about treatments. So I went to my doctor and I'm like, what do I need to do? I think I have this fibromyalgia. And she's like, well, I can send you to a specialist and they can confirm it. But the only thing they can do is they give you medication. And for me, I am so incredibly sensitive to medicine that I just said that it was not an option. So 3 years ago is when I started doing the morning cleanse. If you want to know what the morning cleanse is, go to my website, mymorningcleanse.com, and I have a video course explaining everything. After you do the video course, if you need more help, I am here to help you. I have a membership group. It does not cost that much. You can either pay monthly or you can pay per the year. And you can get in that membership and you can ask me questions. I am here to help you and I'm here to be of service to you. I want you to heal. Of course, I am not a medical doctor, so I cannot give medical advice, but I have been doing the morning cleanse for the past 3 years and it has completely changed my life. I am so much healthier now, and all those symptoms that I talked to you, most of them I don't even deal with anymore. I can go on walks and I don't feel in pain anymore. My anxiety has gotten better. I'm sleeping way better. My fatigue, I don't have very much fatigue anymore. A lot of that has gone away, and I am just doing so much more in life. And I want to help you. I want you to be able to heal and get your body into the shape that you want it to be in. So that's why I created this group, to have support for you. Now, not only will you join the group, but I have the whole back end with a course that goes along with you joining the group. So you have all the support you need. When you join the membership, you will get the morning cleanse laid out to the details. I have it written out for you, and then I have videos explaining every single detail that you need to do the morning cleanse. That way you can go in and you can get it done on your own pace, on your own time. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.